If you ever need an air ambulance, knowing if insurance will cover it is crucial. The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know: when you're covered, when you're not, and how you need to be prepared. Hello, my name is Dr. Franz Colin. I am the Director of Utilization Review and Patient Advocacy at REVA Inc. So does insurance cover air ambulance services? Insurance may cover. With private insurance, you'd be responsible for deductible and out-of-pocket. With federally provided government insurance like Medicare and Medicaid, you may be covered as well, as the travel insurance will help to cover your air ambulance expenses. When you combine travel insurance with your private insurance, travel insurance is separate from your private insurance, so those two cannot be combined. One is going to take precedence. So in a situation where you have both travel insurance and private insurance, the travel insurance will be primary. What factors can affect your coverage for an air ambulance? When it comes to air ambulance services, there are significant factors that may be responsible for affecting the air ambulance service. Prior authorization and approval may be required from your insurance in order to provide the air ambulance support. Your insurance may not cover you based on your current ailment, and medical necessity has to be met. There are certain guidelines provided by your insurance company or Medicare and Medicaid that identify which specific coverages are involved and important for the service to be provided. So when it comes to air ambulance services, you want to make sure that air ambulance is covered through authorization and prior approval. Non-emergent services will be authorized. Emergency services will generally not require an authorization. However, a predetermination is recommended. So it's important to note if your air ambulance provider is in-network or out-of-network with your insurance company. REVA Inc. is in-network with Florida Blue, Humana, Medicare, as well as United Healthcare. If you have other commercial insurance that is not in-network with REVA, then that would be considered out-of-network, and your deductible and out-of-pocket will be much higher. So when you receive your benefit package from your insurance company, it will provide you with different policies and exclusions that would identify if air ambulance services would be appropriate for you. If you were, for example, to leave the country for a dental cosmetic procedure, this may be an exclusion that would cause you to not be able to receive air ambulance benefits if a situation arises from that specific treatment. What are the alternatives to insurance coverage? So single case agreements are organized by the insurance company and your provider, REVA, in order to create a specific plan and treatment action that is for you. When you create a single case agreement, it allows the provider to know that there is a guarantee of payment on your behalf, and the coverage for the air ambulance service will be provided.